How to fade audio on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fade audio on CapCut easily. First thing, go to the app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now upload a new project from here or just go to your drafts. I already have this video right here and I want to fade this audio right here, as you can see. All what you have to do is simple, click on your audio. Now all what you have to do is, after you click on audio, click fade right here. Now choose fade in duration and the fade out duration like this. As you can see, now you can manage it and listen to see how it is going. After you finish, click here save and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.